These are going to be the 3 reasons why I stopped using the Derma roller and why you should probably too. I have been microneedling on and off since 2018, and I've tried different needling devices, a $5 Derma roller like this one to a 200 plus Derminator, and there are 3 reasons why I decided to stop using Derma rollers for good. The reason number 1 would be unnecessary scarring. These are wide, crater-like scars that Derma rollers are creating in the long run. And remember that not every microneedling device will give you the same scarring. The point of adding microneedling to your anti-hair loss routine is to induce the right type of scarring, and by doing that it will promote these 2 mechanisms for hair regrowth. Number 1, stimulating the growth factors in the hair bulge area and thus activating hair stem cell multiplication and improving vascularization. And number 2, promoting the absorption of topical anti-hair loss products like Minoxidil or other topical serums. You need to ask yourself, do we really need wide crater-like scars? No, we need depth rather than width and minimal trauma to the surface of the skin. And Derma rollers unfortunately do the exact opposite. Derma rollers do work just fine for enhancing minoxidil absorption, that's correct. However, for activation of the growth factors in the hair bulge area, they are not the best, since 90% of them is between 0.25 to 0.5 millimeter like this one. So unless you are getting one that is 1.5 millimeter, you won't be even successfully accessing the hair bulge area, which is located 1 to 1.8 millimeter deep with most people. Derma rollers do work, they get you better minoxidil results, but the additional scarring that you get from them compared to other devices is more than I would wish for myself. Now this brings me to the second point, the pain. The longer the needles on a Derma roller, the more painful it will be. And because the Derma roller does rely on the rolling motion, it needs to stay longer in the scalp compared to an automated pen. With the pen, the needles come in and out of the skin in a much faster frequency, plus they go in and out perpendicularly, so at a particular needle length, a Derma pen is always going to be less painful than a roller, and trust me, I've tried this. The pain disrupts the consistency, which is not good for hair loss management, we know this. Also, the erythema, which is the mild redness, and pinpoint bleeding, which should be the end goals of a microneedling session, I was able to achieve those more efficiently and in a shorter amount of time with a motorized needling device compared to using a roller. The other problem is that 80% of rollers out there are low quality with no medical needles but cheap blades that start to bend after a while and overall do more harm than good through your skin. The reason number 3 why I stopped using Derma rollers. They pluck the hair out, which is bad for long hair and curly hair especially, unless you make it wet first so the hair is flatter, but even then I found the automated devices work better because the hair won't get stuck in between. And again, most Derma roller websites or shops are mainly promoting the devices that are 0.25 to 0.5 millimeter short because they hurt very little, but on the other hand require more needling sessions per week, which could exacerbate the hair plucking or any external hair damage. Remember, the shorter the needles, the higher the needling frequency needs to be, and the longer the needles, the lower needling frequency is necessary. So I would much rather needle less frequently and properly than multiple times a week. So I hope this video helped you out. Check out my microneedling video, guys, on Derma roller or Derma pens, how to do it step by step, safely and effectively, in the description below, as well as any of the links with my personal help, including our insider membership, where we teach you how to practice the art of hair regrowth and hair loss reversal utilizing the best tools, treatments, and routines. Check out those things, guys. Thank you so much for the support, and see you soon in another video.